Welcome to the Spark STEM Kit Boom and Spark. The first thing we're going to do is take our two markers, a coffee filter, and place it on our paper, and we're going to draw on it. You can draw in any way you like. Red by itself, blue by itself. You can mix the colors together. You can make squiggly lines, and we're going to do 3 different ones. One with squiggly lines, next, we're going to draw circles. So blue circles, red circles, some overlapping with the red and blue together, some by themselves. You can draw as many as you'd like. And lastly, we're going to take our third one and we're going to draw little stars. So just little straight stars that are going to mimic even more closely a firework. We're going to do red, blue, and we're going to also mix the colors and draw some of the blue over the red. And then we'll see what happens next. Now that we've drawn on our coffee filters, let's make some magic happen and create our very own fireworks. So I did 3 different designs, one with just dots, little star shapes, and then little squiggles. So let's see what happens when we spray our water. So I have my water in my spray bottle. And we're just gonna squirt water in our areas and see what happens. This is experimenting with chromatography. See how our colors are meshing together, making fireworks sparkle. See how the color is spreading. We're getting some purple here. Now you can experiment with adding less water or even more water. And see how the colors spread out. Okay, let's try the dots. So let's add water to our dots. See how the colors are spreading. And you can take your popsicle stick and kind of help spread some of the colors around. Keep your paper straight. Again, you can add more water, less water. See how the colors are spreading out. Got some purple there because we mixed our colors. Purple here, purple here. And you can add more water, or when you're coloring, you can fill the whole thing up and see what happens. Okay, now let's look at this one. Again, we're gonna flatten it out. And we're gonna start to spray our water. See how our colors are spreading. And that is it. And you can continue to experiment. You can let these dry and add more color, Or with the help of an adult, you can take your scissors and cut around your paper, or you can lift it off your paper, because if you notice, it's going to seep through your paper and you'll get additional artwork. So you have two pieces of art in your kit by doing this way. And it all depends on saturation. So again, you can cut it out again with the help of an adult and put it on either darker paper, lighter paper, and you can even take your popsicle sticks and tape it or glue it to the back, and then you have your own set of fireworks. I hope you enjoy. Please follow for more. This is the Spark STEM Kit, Boom and Spark. Thank you for watching.